It would be very helpful if you first try to solve the problem yourself before watching this video.
Question number 39. We have a limit as x approaches 0, 4x squared minus 2x over sine 2x. Well, there is a formula we must remember in the limits with the trigonometric functions. That's limit as x approaches 0, sine x over x is equal to 1, right? Or limit as x approaches 0, x over sine x, that's also equal to 1, right? So when this expression right here, this angle right here, and this expression right here, if these two expressions are equal to each other and these two expression approaches 0, then limit is equal to 1. Okay? We can also have limit as x approaches 0, sine some constant a times x over ax, that's also equal to 1. Okay? When these two expression is equal to each other and if all of this expression approaches 0, then all of this approaches 1. Okay, that's formula we have to remember. So let's solve this question now. We have limit 4x squared minus 2x. So we're going to factor that. Limit as x approaches 0, that's going to be 2x times 2x minus 1, right? Over, we have a sine 2x. Look at this. This expression right here, this expression right here, they're equal to each other, right? So this limit, the limit as x approaches 0, this expression approaches 1, right? Using these formulas. Does that make sense? So let me rewrite this expression. That's a 2x over sine 2x times 2x minus 1, right? And this expression approaches 1. And we're going to substitute 0 for x. So that's going to be 1 times 2 times 0 minus 1. That's going to be equal to 1, right? Oh, I'm sorry, that's actually 1 times negative 1, right? So that's going to be negative 1.